All right, here's box number 2. I'm not sure if this one's Free Spirit Timeless Treasures or someone else, because we did get quite a bit in this week. Whoa, here we go, avalanche. Oh, wow. This is called Migration, a Free Spirit line. Wow, where do I begin with this? Look at that. It's I don't know. Let's see what we're calling this. Lorraine, you wild thing, you. It is overhead terrain. It's a wonderful moldy color. I just don't know. The possibilities are endless with this guy. It's kind of a border print, it looks like. But then again, you look on this side, that looks like a heck of a lot of fun. Then we have a really cute pack floral called Butterfly Bush Petals, I think. And here's looks like footprints in yellow. Animal Tracks it is called. And a really nifty, this is, you can't see, oh, icebergs. You ever see icebergs like that before? And then more Animal Tracks in a beautiful rich purple. Okay.